Have you ever been annoyed about paying for a gym membership that you hardly use? What? The travel, the costs, and the constant attempts to sell more. It quickly adds up. What if I said there's a different option? A strong and nearly free alternative that's been right in front of us, Calisthenics. On one hand, you have the gym, rows of machines, racks of dumbbells, and all the shiny equipment to shape your body. On the other hand, Calisthenics, mastering your body without using machines. Just gravity and basic physics. Let's begin with the most important factor, money. A year of gym memberships can cost between $500 and $1,000. When you include transportation and possibly supplements, you're spending money very quickly. Calisthenics. You can exercise for free in your living room or at the park. You might want to spend $30 just one time on a pull-up bar. That's all you need. It's the difference between spending all your money and improving yourself for free. The gym helps you build bigger and more defined muscles. Muscular appearance. Calisthenics helps you become fit, strong, and agile. Imagine gymnast-like qualities, well-defined, agile, and strong everywhere. At the gym, it's all about lifting heavy weights. Focus on bench pressing more, squatting more, and deadlifting more. With calisthenics, it's about how strong you are compared to your body weight and how well you can move. Handstands, muscle-ups, planches, things that catch people's attention much quicker than a bench press personal record. Going to the gym can take 3 hours. That includes travel, exercising, showering, and returning home. You can do calisthenics exercises for 45 minutes wherever you are. Your living room, your backyard, the park, anywhere works. No excuses. Lifting heavy weights can be risky. Poor technique, lifting too much weight without proper form, and injuries are some of the dangers. Calisthenics is generally safer, but you should follow a step-by-step approach. If you try to build a lot of muscle on the first day, it won't work. Take it one step at a time, and your body will get used to it naturally. Whose is each one for? The gym is great if you want to build big muscles and lift heavy weights. Calisthenics is good for people who want strength, agility, skill, and great value for money. So, which do you prefer? Lifting weights or using your own body weight to exercise? Let me know your choice in the comments. I'm curious.